Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. I have a little gardening hack I wanted to show you to save soil. So I'm going to be transplanting these agaves that are outgrown this pot, and it's going to take a little while, but I'm going to show you how I thought of a way to try to save some money in soil. I'm going to put these coffee filters at the bottom of the pots. You see it was still kind of cold, but I wanted to show you if you're you see me pop by. What I'm using is these pool noodles, and I bought about 8 of them. I did it with some pots that are already on my patio, but you just bend it and it'll take up some space inside the pot. And then this cocoa liner, kind of like a mesh. This helps hold the soil in. This works on plants that are not deeply rooted, except for I'm not sure how it will work on these, but I'm going to try it because these agaves can get root bound. So I'm just going to cut this and place it inside the pot. Yeah, there. You can see, you'll still see a little bit of the pool noodle, but not much. And for this project, I'm using my rose gloves. I really didn't want to get them dirty. They're just supposed to be for trimming my roses, but these agaves are sharp. Okay, so let's get started on this project. Okay, so I have a little bit of soil already. I'm going to pour in the bottom and spread it out. And then once I get it spread out, I'm going to be trying to get this agave out of the pot. It's got several what we call pups on it. Uh-oh. I think I pulled a leaf off by accident, but let's get it out. It's not going to hurt. These things multiply. So once I transplant it, it'll probably have another pup by the end of the summer. And here, this is zone 7B8A. So I'm gonna try experimenting with leaving one in the ground over the winter to see if they will propagate outside. And that would be a good thing, because then we could have some in the rock garden. Okay, see? It's got a good root system. So this is a smaller one I'm going to pull out. Okay, it's going to be a little stubborn. I might have to go get a knife to get some of it out. Okay, there. That's another good root. Look. Let's see, this one, I don't know, 3 or 4. Okay. Yep, I had to go get my knife. Get this thing out. It's a nice one, but it's overgrown for this pot. So we saw these other pots at Ollie's. So if you like different pots, Ollie's has some nice ones. good reasonable price. I think this pot was like, I want to say like 25. It might have been 30, but still that's good for this size pot. So here I'm still struggling. Oh look, okay, I got another pup out. I'm trying to get all the pups out so I can get the mama. This one, I mean, you'll really get to see how root bound it is. Okay, I had to go get my knife, cut down in there and get some of the roots loosened. And there we go. Got it. Okay, look at this. Getting all these big roots out. Look at this long one. See how it wrapped around in the pot? That's why I'm hoping that pots that I'm planting them in that the plant has enough room. So I'm just trying to make sure I have enough soil, trying to get the roots straightened out. And then I'm also cutting off some of the dead leaves. I'm not quite sure sometimes what causes the leaves to dry out. Sometimes it could be not enough or too much water. So we'll see how it works. So let's see, cutting all these off. I'm going to get them in there. And I think this might be it. I had to go get my pruners because the scissors weren't strong enough. So you can see I'm kind of rough on my plants because I figure if it can take the roughness, it can survive. I don't have time to be all delicate. I just want to know the hardiness of the plant, inside, outside, pruning, propagation, all that kind of thing. It's just I like to experiment with plants to see how far I can go for their survival. Okay, look at that long root. I'm going to stuff it in here, or should I cut it off? Let's see. What am I do? Okay, I stuffed it in there. That might have been a good root to keep. Okay. I think I got it in the spot. I'm going to use some of the same soil that it was growing in, so it won't go into too much shock. So let's get all this soil in here. And I hope you enjoyed this little gardening pot hack. I hope you could see exactly, well, almost exactly what I did. It's kind of hard to record when you have to be the one holding the camera. But anyway, I'm just going to fill this up, and at the end and later on, if you watch some of my more gardening videos, you'll see how they're doing on the patio. So on the pot that I'm taking out of, I'm going to put the smaller one back in, the smaller pup back in, and put it back the front. Okay guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, comment, like, subscribe, share. See you on the next one. Bye.